guys, have you ever heard the word menstruation in your life? In our country, people use different words for it, right? But scientifically, it's a biological process. And today, let's understand what it really means. Each cycle begins with menstruation and then continues through a beautifully coordinated hormonal events, all managed by the brain, the ovaries, and the uterus working together. Now, let's break it down into phases. The first phase, which is the menstrual phase. This is the phase where actual menstrual flow occurs and it usually lasts for 3 to 5 days. And what happens in this phase? The endometrial lining, you know what it is? The soft inner layer of uterus sheds and it comes out through the vagina as blood and tissues. And you know what? The ovum, if it is not fertilized, it is what responsible for the shedding of the endometrium, and that's what we call as a period. Is the follicular phase or the proliferative phase. During this phase, the body is again preparing for the chances of possible pregnancy. During this phase, the primary follicles will grow in size and they will become a Graafian follicle, which is the most large follicle inside the ovary. The follicular phase starts from 6th day to 13th day. Third phase, which is the ovulatory phase, and during this phase, which is happening around the 14th day, the mature Graafian follicle releases an ovum, and the ovum will be in the secondary oocyte stage. And if an ovum gets meet with the sperm, and it will result in fertilization. So this window is called as a fertile window and it lasts for 10 to 17 days. The final phase of menstrual cycle is the luteal phase, or otherwise called as the secretory phase. During this phase, the empty follicle which have released the secondary oocyte will transform into a corpus luteum, which will release progesterone. You know what is the use of progesterone? It will maintain the endometrial lining so that it can keep the pregnancy. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum will degenerate, hormone levels drop, and it will result in the next menstrual cycle. So guys, menstrual cycle is not just about bleeding. It's a complex, well-organized biological rhythm that ensures fertility, balance, and health. Subscribe for more videos.